Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hi, Ziggy. Hi, Zag. What's up? I want to now tell you a joke. What is it? What is 67 plus 35 plus 99 plus 136 plus 84 equals to 1089? No, it equals to a headache. Oh, my head. Ooh, I got one for you. Why did the two fours skip lunch? Because 4 plus 4 equals to 8? No, because they already ate. How do you stop an astronaut's baby from crying? You give him a chocolate. No, you rock it. Oh, that's very funny. Why didn't the skeleton go to the ball? Because he had no one to go with? No, because he had no body to go with. Hey, Zag, do you know what a butterfly's favorite subject is at school? Designing wings. No, mathematics. Oh, I got the last one, and it's really, really funny. Why did the girl wear glasses during math class? Oh, no. Because it improves division. Get? I love division. And I have good vision. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Soon, baboon, baboon, baboon. Do-do-do-do-do, jinx. Do-do-do-do-do, jinx. Do-do-do-do, baby jinx. Do-do-do-do-do, jinx. Do-do-do-do-do, jinx.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.